Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by verifying essentials. Confirm your phone supports the 5G bands used by Dita and that it's unlocked. Once the Dita SIM is active and provisioned, insert it and reboot the device so the network registers. Make sure you update both the phone OS and carrier settings. These contain critical 5G configuration files. Doing this first avoids registration errors and ensures the radio firmware and APN templates match Dita network requirements. So you can move into network select. Now you configure access. Go to mobile networks and enable 5G or 5G auto so the device will prefer NR when available. Next, set the APN exactly as Dita expects. Use the carrier APN name and values. Once done, save and select it. If you still don't see 5G, switch to manual network selection and pick the Dita public land mobile network. This forces registration on available cells. These steps align your radio with the operator's core and reduce handshake or routing failures. To finish, confirm the 5G icon appears and run a speed or signal test to validate throughput and latency improvements. If you don't get 5G, reset network settings or power cycle and reinsert the SIM. This clears stale provisioning. One key troubleshooting tip: collect device IMEI, SIM IXID, and a quick log or screenshot before contacting Dita support so they can trace provisioning or radio issues faster. Follow up and make sure any carrier updates are applied to resolve deeper provisioning problems.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.